Hey, this is Evelyn from EC Projects. Today I'm going to show you how to make a roasted carrot dish with a tequila tahini sauce. It's super delicious, and all you really need is a beautiful bottle of tequila añejo, and I've picked tromba, a little bit of carrots, fresh lemon juice, salt, pepper, cumin, tahini, and honey. It's actually super easy to prep this dish. Take the carrots that you've prepared previously and drizzle some olive oil over it. I would say about half a tablespoon. And then add in a nice pinch of salt, some pepper, and a little bit of cumin, about half a teaspoon, and then give it a nice toss. Make sure the carrots are well coated. And try to form them all in one layer. Now you want to stick it in the oven for 15 to 18 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Now it's time to make a tequila tahini dressing. Start off with 2 tablespoons of tahini. Depending on the consistency, you might need more liquid for this recipe, but we're going to start off with 2 tablespoons. And add half a tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, followed by a tablespoon of olive oil, and last but not least, a tablespoon of tromba añejo. And shake it all up. The woodsy, earthy, and allspice flavors of the tequila tromba añejo will pair really well with your carrots and this beautiful tahini dressing. You want to check the consistency of the tequila tahini. It should be creamy but not runny. Once your carrots are good to go, you want to line them up in your serving dish. And then drizzle a healthy helping of the tequila tahini on the carrots. You can have it just like that, it'll be super delicious, or you can garnish it with some za'atar spice and pistachios for added texture. I love cooking with booze because it brings out a totally different element of the dish. Check out my website for more unique recipes and tutorials.